My name is Jonathan Weeks, and I am currently an associate research scientist in the Global Assessment Unit at Educational Testing Service. Yeah, so the paper is focusing on the estimation of value-added school effects. It was published in the Journal of Educational and Behavioral Statistics fairly recently, and I was the co-author with Derek Briggs, who's at the University of Colorado as well. And the main thrust behind the paper is that more of the prior research on value added has focused on teacher effects and the estimation of teacher effects. But with school accountability being a piece in this as well, or looking at school effectiveness, we wanted to see how the methods that have been developed for examining teacher quality transfer to schools. And so we were looking at some of the models that were used in evaluating teacher effects and seeing how they transferred and looking at school effects. When we looked at school effects using these different models, we still found moderate correlations, but they were actually much higher. So for the teacher effects, different models were correlated around 0.7 to 0.8, and the effects that the correlations that we found between different models were around 0.9 or in the high 0.9s. But the general pattern of these persistent parameters were the same between teachers and schools. I think the real important takeaway message in this is that some useful information can be gained from value-added analysis, and that it is fairly young in the work that has been done on it. There's a lot more that needs to be done on it, and so we should continue to pursue that more from a research perspective and be cautious again in the actual use of the results.